Hello and welcome to part 4 of this series of videos covering the Nice voice assistant. In this video, we're going to be covering the custom trigger phrases. If you need to create a completely custom voice scene, outside of the already extensive range of voice commands we can use in ELAN OS, then we can do just that. Let's say that when you come home, you want to set the temperature to 21 degrees in the house. You want to turn on some lights, you want to shut the blinds, you want to turn on the TV, for instance. You want to put the kettle on. Obviously, there has to be some level of integration available to be able to do that, but we can do all of that using the custom voice phrases. So we can invoke this scene by creating those custom phrases. But what's great is that we can also get Mylo to say a custom response back to our command. Let's go ahead and set this up. In the configurator, I'll go to Event Mapper and I'll create a voice triggered phrase. Name is going to be I'm home. And the phrase is also, I'm home. So let's go ahead and map this up. I'm going to put any custom voice phrases in an event map group. I'm going to name it voice triggers. I'm going to create an event map. I'm going to do this against the voice trigger phrase as it will name it nicely. In the commands, the first thing I do is say a voice response. So I'm going to go to add, messaging, voice response, and I'll just put as you wish. Then I can start creating macros. So we'll set the heating to be 21 degrees. And I'll add in some lighting, but before adding the lights, the best thing I think to do is to create a lighting scene in the viewer. So in the viewer, I'll go to lighting, ground floor, select the scene button and create a new scene. Gonna name it living room home. And I'll add in the lights in the living room and the shade as well. We'll set some levels. Close the shade and close that window down. And now I can choose this in the event mapper. And then I'll turn on the TV in the zone. So in the commands, go to add, audio zone controller, living room AV Pro, and I'm going to choose Sky as the source to come on. Now I'm going to move the event map into the voice trigger group. So right click it and move to voice triggers. Let's go ahead and give this a go. At the moment, the lights are off. The shade's open and the heating is set to run program. and the media zone is also off. Hey Mylo, I'm home.
As you wish.
And we can see that lighting's come on. The shade's closed. The heating has been set to 21 degrees. And the TV zone is switched to the Sky Q source in the living room. So now, what if I'm going out? Let's see what we can do. I'll create a new trigger phrase. I'm going to call this secure the base. Now I'll create the new event map. And the action is set the heating back to program. Set the devices in the living room scene to turn off. You could create an all off scene and recall that as well to turn off all the other lighting zones, and then turn off the living room media zone. And then set the alarm. Lastly, I'm going to add the voice response, then I know the prompt has been heard. So let's go ahead and give that a test. Hey Mylo, secure the base.
The rebel base is protected. The Empire won't get through.
And there we go, voice commands with custom responses. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.